Are you brave enough to explore the most haunted Austin spots before moving to Austin in 2024? Austin, Texas isn't just known for its vibrant music scene and delicious barbecue. It's also home to some of the most haunted places in the state. If you're considering a move to Austin in 2024, you might want to know about these eerie locations that add a touch of mystery to the city's charm. So with Halloween just around the corner, let's dive into the spooky side of Austin. Hi, I'm Debbie Thomas with Thomas Luxury Group at Compass Real Estate Austin. Welcome to Austin, Texas, where history and mystery meet. As Halloween approaches, we're diving into the spine-chilling tales that haunt our beloved city. From the eerie corridors of the Driscoll Hotel to the ghostly apparitions at the Texas state capitol, Austin has its fair share of haunted hotspots. But what happens when these ghostly tales follow you home? Let me start with the Driskill Hotel, a haunted haven residing right here in Austin. The Driscoll Hotel, built in 1886, stands as one of the most haunted Austin landmarks. This historic hotel is said to be home to several spirits, including the founder, Colonel Jesse Driscoll. Guests have reported strange occurrences, from unexplained noises to ghostly apparitions. One of the most famous ghost stories involves a young girl named Samantha who allegedly died while playing with a ball in the grand staircase. Visitors claim to hear the sound of a bouncing ball or see a young girl in a Victorian-era dress roaming the halls. The hotel's fourth floor is particularly notorious for paranormal activity. Room 525 is said to be haunted by the spirits of two brides who committed suicide in the bathtub exactly 20 years apart. Guests have reported feeling an eerie presence and experiencing unexplained phenomena in this room. Despite its spooky reputation, the Driskill remains a popular destination for both tourists and locals. Its blend of luxury and mystery makes it a unique stay in Austin, Texas, for an Austin, Texas experience for those brave enough to spend the night. Pretty spooky, right? Wait till you hear the next one. Oakwood Cemetery, eternal unrest. Now, Oakwood Cemetery is Austin's oldest city cemetery, and it's also a treasure trove of Texas history and ghostly tales. Established in 1839, it's the final resting place for many notable Texans, including several governors and Stephen F. Austin, the father of Texas. Visitors to Oakwood have reported various paranormal experiences, from orbs of light floating among the tombstones to the sound of disembodied footsteps. Some claim to have seen the ghost of Confederate soldier wandering the grounds, perhaps still on guard duty after all these years. One of the most intriguing stories involves the talking tombstone. Legend has it that if you place your hand on a certain gravestone at midnight, you can hear the deceased whispering their life story. The Littlefield House, located on the University of Texas campus, is another most haunted Austin location with a fascinating history. Built in 1893 for Major George Littlefield and his wife Alice, this Victorian-style mansion is now owned by the university and used for special events. Alice Littlefield, who suffered from mental illness, is said to haunt the house. Staff and visitors have reported hearing the sound of a piano playing when no one is in the music room, believed to be Alice continuing her favorite pastime in the afterlife. Others have claimed to see Alice's ghost looking out from the upper windows or wandering the halls. The attic in particular is said to be a hotspot for paranormal activity, with some reporting an overwhelming sense of sadness in that space. Despite its ghostly reputation, the Littlefield House remains a beautiful example of Victorian architecture and a popular spot for spooky haunted house tours in Austin. If you're interested in exploring the most haunted places in Texas, consider taking one of Austin's many ghost tours. These guided walks and sometimes bike rides offer a mix of history and haunting, taking you through some of the city's most notorious paranormal hotspots. Many tours include stops at the locations mentioned above, as well as other haunted sites like Moonshine Patio Bar and Grill, said to be haunted by victims of a 19th century flood, and the Austin Tavern, where the ghost of a Confederate soldier is said to still frequent his favorite watering hole. These tours are not only a great way to experience Austin's spooky side, but also to learn about the city's rich history. They're particularly popular around Halloween, but may operate year-round, catering to ghost enthusiasts and curious visitors alike. Now, since you made it here, here's the bonus tip. Look for master plan communities in Austin if you seriously want to move here. And if the idea of living in a potentially haunted historic home doesn't appeal to you, consider looking into one of Austin's master plan communities. These newer developments offer modern amenities and a sense of community without the ghostly baggage of older properties. Communities like Mueller, Steiner Ranch, and Circle C Ranch offer a range of housing options from apartments to single-family homes. They often feature amenities like parks, pools, and community centers, making them great options for families or anyone looking for a more structured living environment. While these communities may lack the spooky charm of Austin's older neighborhoods, they offer their own unique benefits. And who knows, in 100 years or so, they might have their own ghost stories to tell. So there you have it. Whether you believe in ghosts or not, Austin's haunted history adds an extra layer of intrigue to this already fascinating city. From historic hotels to government buildings and cemeteries to private homes, the city offers plenty of opportunities for spooky haunted house lovers. If you're moving to Austin, Texas, consider embracing this aspect of the city's culture. Even if you're not interested in living in a haunted house, exploring these locations can be a fun way to learn about Austin's history and connect with the local community. So, as you enjoyed the haunted tales of Austin this October, remember that every home has a story. And whether that story includes a few ghostly guests or not, we're here to help you every step of the way. If you want to connect with me directly, my contact info is mentioned in the description box below. Remember to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get all the updates. Comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. Once again, I'm Debbie Thomas from Austin, Texas. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.